beef bourguignon, which is the perfect meal that will impress your Valentine. Start by preheating your oven at 350 degrees. Cut the chuck beef into 2-inch cubes, season with salt and pepper, and set aside while you prep the veggies. In a heavy Dutch oven, start by cooking the bacon on medium-low heat until browned and crisp. Remove the bacon and add the beef in small batches and sear on all sides. Reduce the heat and carefully add the carrots and onions. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the fresh garlic, tomato paste, and mix. Next, stir in flour and cook for about a minute or so. Add bay leaf, thyme, and finally 3 cups of red wine. I use Cabernet Sauvignon, but you can use any red wine. Now add the browned beef and bacon, cover and transfer to the oven and cook for about an hour or so, mixing it once halfway through. While the flavors of the wine infuse the beef and start to complement all the other ingredients, grab yourself a large skillet and add the pearl onions, mushrooms, and about half a cup of water. Season with salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar, and a nice drizzle of olive oil. Cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Uncover and brown the veggies, and there you have it.